see this problem. X is a discrete random variable with the probability mass function given in the table. Find E of x, E of 2x plus 3, E x square, and E of 2x plus 1 square. Okay. Now see, this is the table given where capital X, what is this? Capital X is nothing but random variable, and P of X is the probability of that random variable. Okay. Now here, what is this? These are the elements of random variable. These are the elements of random variable. Okay. How many elements we have? For example, if you take this as I, so the number of elements will be equal to 5. There are 5 elements in this. Okay. So this is not the time index. These are the elements of our random variable x. What is the first element is -2, second element is -1, third element is 0, fourth element is 1, fifth element is 2. Okay. So this is the probability of first element, probability of second element. Okay. This is the third element is the probability of third element. Okay. This is the probability of fourth element, and this is the probability of fifth element, like that. Okay. So now we'll find out what is this. This is a discrete random variable. It is not continuous random variable. It is a discrete random variable. Now what is the expected value of discrete random variable? The expected value of discrete random variable is given by the formula summation I is equal to 1 to n xi p of xi. Okay. So it is equal to summation I is equal to 1 to 5. Okay. X, how many elements we have? Totally 5 elements. Okay. That is why it is I is equal to 1 to 5 xi p of xi. Okay. Now if we expand this, what is x1? X1 is nothing but -2. P of x1 is 1 by 5. Okay. X2 is nothing but, this is for second element. So x2 is nothing but -1. P of x2 will be 2 by 5, like that. Okay. So if we expand this equation, we will be getting x1 into P of x1 plus x2 into P of x2 plus x3 into P of x3 plus x4 into P of x4 plus x5 into P of x5. Just now we have discussed what is that we get. -2 into 1 by 5 plus 1 -1 into 2 by 5 plus 0 into 1 by 10 plus 1 into 1 by 10 plus 2 into 1 by 5. Okay. So the same thing we will be writing here. Now if you simplify this, what is the expected value of x we will be getting? The expected value of x is equal to -0.3. And similarly, the second bit is expected value of 2x plus 3. Okay. So from the properties, we know that expected value of ax plus b. What is expected value of ax plus b? Okay, just now we have discussed the properties. It is given as ax plus b is equal to what? So it is given as a into expected value of x plus b. Okay, it is a into expected value of x, okay, plus b. Okay. So this is the using the property, we know this is that okay, it is expected value of e of x, a e of x plus b. Okay. Now using that property, we will be writing this as 2 into e of x plus 3. Okay. E of x already we found in this previous step. E of x we got it as -0.3. So the same value we substitute here, -0.3. So what is the value get? 2.4. So the value we are getting it here as 2.4. Okay. Now we see the third bit. The third bit is to find the expected value of x square. So what is here? We are taking a function g of x where g of x is equal to x square. Okay. G of x is equal to x square. Now we know that this is the case for discrete random variable. How do you write this? It is summation I is equal to 1 to n g of xi p of xi. Okay. Now we just substitute our xi in this g of xi. Okay. So what is g of xi is nothing but xi square. g of xi is nothing but xi square. Okay, so that is why we'll be getting xi square p of xi here. Okay, p of xi. So now what is xi? First one value is minus 2 square. See here students, see this table. Minus 2 square into 1 by 5 plus minus 1 square into 2 by 5 plus 0 into 1 by 4 plus 1 square into 1 by 10 plus 2 square into 1 by 5. Okay, so what is that we got? We have written same thing. Minus 2 square into 1 by 5 plus minus 1 square into 2 by 5 plus 0 into 1 by 10 plus 1 square into 1 by 10 plus 2 square into 1 by 5. Okay, so if you find the values, what we got, expected value of x square is equal to 2.1. So the next one is find the expected value of 2x plus 1 square. Okay, so now what is g of x? G of x is 2x plus 1 square. Okay, so now we just expand this. If we expand this, we will be getting 4x square. Okay, we'll be getting 4x square plus 4x plus 1. We will be getting 4x square plus 4x plus 1. So what is expected value of expected value of 4x square plus 4x plus 1? Use the properties here. So it is 4 into expected value of x square plus 4 into expected value of x plus 1. Okay, so what is expected value of x square? The expected value of x square we have already found in the previous case. So what is the value we got? It is 21 by 10. See here, what is the value we got here is 21 by 10. Okay, and similarly we found already what is the expected value of x. The expected value of x is 0.3 minus 0.3. Okay, so if you substitute these two values here in this bit, so expected value of x is minus 0.3, and whereas the expected value of x square is 21 by 10. So what is that value we get here? We get it as 8.2. Okay,